Good morning, welcome back. We're at United Western Civil Works, getting ready to wash their loader. I believe it's going to auction. So, quick little run around here. It's dirty, but it's not too bad. We're gonna run our hoses out and get moving. Window's dirty now, but we're getting it all taken care of. I just locked myself in the cab of the 624. We're gonna start getting it all wiped down. Dusty did the initial clean. We got all the mats taken out so we can get things cleaned up. So I'm gonna try to set you up here to be able to see what's going on, but we have very limited space, so we're gonna cut you off here. Well, the everlasting problem of mobile washing is the water situation. Looks like we have to go get more water because there's no water here. But don't mind that bucket in the air. Let's cut that out, Donovan. We gotta go get more water. We're plugging through our 300 gallons still. And we're back. We gotta hook the hose up and fill the trailer back up because we are empty. So we're gonna take a quick intermission here, get the tank filled back up, and head back to the job. So I don't know if I can hook this hose up and keep you, but I've said it once and I'm gonna say it 100 more times. This is the problems of mobile washing, if that's even in frame. Because I'm trying to do 3 things at once. I love this thing. Round 2, filling up water. Love the power. We're on our way back to the job. Again, I had to fill the tank one more time. Hopefully we can get it done the time allotted to get my helper back up to his car so he can get to work tonight. Fingers crossed that I don't have to come back down here. So the time crunch is here. We're running back. Get all the doors closed. Keep all the dirt out. Doors closed. We gotta close the back first. Make Make sure everything's secure. I don't think I'm gonna be able to reach that. Redo. We're just getting done doing the 624 for Western United Civil Works. It's ready to go back into service. Fun little fact here. Get out of here, B. Fun little fact. Right there. Whoa. That's the old Nutter logo. That's on the machine still. I think this is my old machine when I worked at Nutter. I'm pretty sure it is. So that's a pretty cool little turn of the circle. Isn't that what you said?
Full circle.
Full circle. So if you've made it this far, thank you. Keep on subscribing. Comment down below what you think. And we're out of here.